Look at that. It's right at the end. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful. Today, Robert and I have driven roughly 1.5 hours from Wanganui to a little place called Pohangina, which is north of Ashhurst in the Manawatu district at the foot of the Ruahine Ranges. Now, we've heard that glowworms can be seen here, so we're about to find out if that is true. Doggy's there. Look, there it goes. Water. Wow, what's in there? Oh, well, I see, it's just a culvert under that road we just saw. Huh. Cool. So we're walking down the stream, isn't it? I love fantails. Whoa. What the heck? Things are falling. Did you set something off, Fantail? Whoa. I think this might be where glowworms would glow too, on these lovely walls. That's what I'm wondering. I can see it dripping. Where's it coming from? On there. just have to watch my feet. Oh wow, look at that. Cool. Look at that. Nice, eh? This is so cute. You did it. We're at the end. Well, never. What's going on? The rock. And it's all embedded in. Wow. Goes up and up. Isn't it? Coming down that rock too. Wow, neato. All around here.
Running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all.
Here we are, back at the beginning. Only a short walk in here, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. It's cool, eh? Oh, it's gone.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
It's now 11 days later, and we've come back to Pohangina to see if there really are glowworms here, because Robert thinks this will be a waste of time. So, it's getting darker, isn't it? Well, not really. It's so early. What's the time? The time is 10 to 7 at night. Halfway through March, I've come back to see if there are actual glowworms in here. We are curious, aren't we, Robert George? Yeah. And you're saying there's no water. Oh no, fantails are back. This had water last time. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. There better be water. That was spectacular. There was water here, Robert. No. Oh, man. Heck, could be right. Well, that was that slippery bit you slipped on, Beach. Wasn't it? We'll go this side then. Splash of water, but it's not moving. Is it, Fantail? You are. You are, you little darling. I give up. It's now 6:53, and we've come to that start of the gorgeous part down the river. The stream that was running. You can't hear the water falling? No. Gee whizzikers. We really are in drought. Nothing. Wow. She's dried up, man. Heck. Shall we go in? Well, look at that. Nothing. Oh man, what a disappointment, isn't it? How dead boring. Look, drips. There they are. That's it. Wow, I'm amazed. Seen our first one. Found it. Oh, it goes all dark when I zoom right in. And here's the blue glowworm light. Cool. They are here. Patience. Oh, it's gone dark again. Why? Why, oh, why has it gone dark? It's only 7:30. It's not that dark yet. Really. See how light it is up there? But patience. First, oh, I can see some more coming. I can see more up there. He thought it would be a waste of time, didn't he? Eat your words, Beach. Look at them. They're all coming out. Aren't they? Oh, you're gone again. It's a whole wall of them sparkling. That won't even show it, will it? Oops, them in here. Oh well, there we are. Still a bit of daylight outside. Oh, that's it, the top of the rock, and then underneath the rock are these two. Thank you. To Brandon. Thank you, dear. Look at them. Hello. Definitely glowworms in here. Wonder what it looks like around there now, actually. Can I go in here and have a look? In the cave. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful. How neat. I would not have thought they would have been on this rock face, but look at them all. That is amazing. I'm blown away by it. Isn't it neat? Look. Did you look in here, Robert? At them all? Did you see them? Whoops. Pull over. They're all in here. Come and have a look. You don't want to look in the cavern thing? Oh, okay. Don't then. Right, thank you. I can't see. I think we better get going. Get back home. Leave you in peace. It's just shining so much now, isn't it? Oh, there's you. Yay. You can put your light on. We've done with the stills. But look at these walls of... This is so impressive. Isn't it, Bobby? Do you love it? I love it. There are so many glowworms. It just goes on, and I'm in love with this area. Yes, let's get closer to this lot here. Thank you, Robert. That's cool. Look at them. Okay, now we're going to get back in the dark. Okay, here you go. They're all on the walls coming back down the stream too. The stream that was. day. You got plenty of light, Beach? Yeah? We're making our way out. We're getting there. She's dark now. I didn't even look at the time. I don't know what the time is. There it is. We're back. Back up this little rise. Yay. How's that? Car's still there? Yep. Yahoo! Now we're back at 8:30. And how long did it take us to get here by car? Under 2 hours? We'll drive back home to Wanganui.